Talk to me.
You mind doing the same for me? Big backpack, there's a big old can of green gas.
Oh, look, nighttime.
Thank you, sir. Give me like 2 seconds and I'll have it filled.
It's kind of cool at night. There's the in and out.
I know.
So, I can make it go faster.
Thank you, sir.
This is our respawn area. This is fine. Like,
yeah, especially since we got fucking team killed. Oh, and then the guy had the gall to be like, no, it's fine, I pulled him behind the fucking barricade. Like, no you didn't, motherfucker.
You gonna try it? I think it's at its max speed. Slow it down.
Whoa, dude.
Some of the stuff's not working, but
Pretty sick when I get back in the game.
yeah.